Hello, this is a video about how to edit Karvon.com.au website and add content and images to the website. First thing, you need to go to /wp-admin to log in. We will provide you with the username and password. Username here, you add a username here, a password here, answer the security question, and log in. Okay, once you log in, you see this change to this is called dashboard, the CMS dashboard. It has here where you can add the pages and add posts. Now, on the left hand side, you can see posts, media, pages, which are the most important things on the website. Then comes here menus. That's all what you need to know from the website, because the others are coding, which is uh, if it's edited in the wrong way, this will cause the website to break. Now, let's go to the home page. Click on visit sites. There is two ways to edit the website. It's either by going to pages on the left-hand side inside the dashboard, or by clicking, going to the home page while you're logged in, click edit page. Any page you go to, you can click edit page and go to that page info and start editing it from the inside of the website. All right, now you can see here the information of the home page. On the right-hand side, you will see uh, the publish info. This, so over here is saying the status of the page is published and is visible for the public. Now, that's what you need to know. In case if this was in public, it will be one of these, or if it was in published, it will be either pending to review or draft. Which either of them, that means they are not online. But published and public, that means they are online. In the middle, you can see this text of each page, each section on the website, on the homepage. Over here, you can, if you scroll down more and more, you can see the text more and more. Okay, now to edit the text, just by clicking on the pen here. If you hover on it anyway, it will tell you the information for it, which will say edit the page. There's two views. There's the text view and visual view. Visual view looks like a Word document where you can edit the format of the text, the color, and add hyperlink and everything. And the text view is to show what is the code that added to the page, in case if you want to edit the code. Now, after you finish editing, click Save Changes. It's the same here. Empty space is just gives more space between the text and the URL. It's the same here. To edit, just hover on this. It will say edit the text block. Here as well. Everywhere on the website is the same. It's the same. It's the same way of editing. Okay, now to testimonial, the only thing here that's different that you need to click on the text box here if you want to duplicate this text and have more text on the page for more testimonials. Just click on duplicate, or you can basically click add, which it will be the same thing. To delete the text box, just click on delete. That's it. And this will give you multiple testimonials. It's the same way of editing of all the pages on the website. Now, when you want to leave the page, if you haven't saved the changes on this page, it will ask you to click leave or stay. In case you click leave, you will lose all the changes you've done. If you want to click stay, you can stay. Now, if you want to review the page before publishing it, you can click on preview changes and you can see the changes in this page. If you are satisfied, you just click update and that will update all the changes you've done on the page. Right now, I don't want to save the changes, just click leave. Okay. Now, if we want to go to any of the other pages just to take a look how it looks like, just basically go to the page, look at it here, click edit page. Okay, you can see the same system is followed here. It's just the organization of the page. Now, everything that's in light gray that is not used anymore. You can either delete it or click on it and edit this row and change the situation to be visible. Now, you see here, it said disable a row. You can click on yes here, and save changes. This row will be visible again. If you don't want this row anymore, just click delete. As I said, it's the same way for all the pages. Again, when you want to leave the page, make sure that you update the page for the latest changes you've added so you don't lose them. Now, the posts. The posts are on the left-hand side. It's better if you go to it from there because there will be many posts and that will be confusing for which one you should edit. Over here you can see a full review for it and you can see how to edit it and categorize it. You can edit a post by click edit. Over here you can see that as the page, it has the same system. On the right hand side you can see the information. In the middle you can see the text. You don't need to add any rows, anything at all. It's the same, it's similar to Word document. On the right hand side here you can see that something called featured image. Usually it looks like this. If you want to set a featured image, just click on set featured image and look for the image you want to add. Click set featured image and click update. Now on over here you can see categories. Categories right now this post is not categorized. If you want to categorize it, you just click add a new category. Let's say a house terms, for example. Add a new category and you can check which category it should be under, or you can actually change the order to have two categories or more. Now we don't need this category for now. It's better if we delete it. The way to delete it is not from here. If you want to delete it, basically you need to go to categories on the left hand side, open it. Okay, here, select and delete. Now, to add a new post, just click on add new. Put the post name, yes. Info on the right hand side, says here status draft. That means it's not published. Put text here if you want. And if you want to add category, you can do that and you click publish. After clicking publish, it will add it automatically to the blog page. Also, there's the set featured image. I didn't set one for now because we don't need, but if you want to set it, you can set it. I'm not gonna post this on Facebook because we don't want it on Facebook. But if you wanted to post on Facebook, you can click on publish this on Facebook, and it will publish it automatically. After you do that, click update, and you will have the post. To delete the post, basically click on here, move to trash, and it will take the post to trash. Now, on the left-hand side, there's something called menus. Under appearance, under menus here you can see the list of the menus and sub-menus on the website. To add a new menu, either you can add it by selecting a page here. You click view all different views to see which pages on the website. Select all posts. You can choose a post. You can choose a custom link by putting the link and the text. Just put, for example, like this. Link like this. Text, paste, add menu. It will go to the bottom, and you can move it and drag and put it wherever you want. If you don't want it, just click remove. Okay, thank you very much for watching. That's all for the teaching.